Right, hi guys. Get used to this thing. Right, I've invested myself in a little gimbal. So I've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. It's threatening to rain, so it could be, does it work in the rain test in a minute, but it's pretty cool. I mean, I'm walking up a hill on rough terrain, just holding this. Seems to work quite well. You can move it around, go up and down. It's got stabilisation. It's all does the thing. Seems to be pretty good. Get used to the walking sideways at the moment. I'm shooting in 4K. Just getting used to how this thing works. Seems pretty good. It's a shame they've locked the tower, the farmers locked the tower. Probably it's either dangerous or they don't want sheep and animals inside. I don't know. But, seems pretty cool. I'm just walking normally, tripping over things at the same time, so hopefully it doesn't show up too much. I can imagine it's not perfect. I had a little play with it yesterday and took my friend's dog for a walk up in the South Downs, and that was really rough, the terrain. But yeah, that's really quite cool. Just thought I'd give it a quick test. Feels really nice in the hand. It's got a slight bit of weight to it, so I'm not sure actually how much it weighs. But yeah, works really nicely. Just getting used to the dials. I'm not using the app at the moment. There's a DJI app that you can control the whole camera, phone, or whatever, with the buttons on the gimbal itself. At the moment, I'm just using the steering up and down. But I'm going to play with that a bit later. I just wanted an actual quick test. I was hoping it was going to chuck it down with rain so we could does it survive the rain test. But we can hear sheep at the moment. But hopefully I can use this a bit more for when I am doing my videos, and it'll look a lot better than trying to handhold big cameras and stuff like that, where you can't obviously flip screens on the Sony. So mobile phones now so good for this sort of thing. Works really well. And the Sony Xperia XZ2 compact, which I own, this is the front-facing camera, and it's really wide angle, so it's good for getting a couple of people in while you're talking or doing whatever, which is kind of cool as I come out of the woods. You can basically, got to get used to this though, the dial. That's a brisk walk. Seems pretty smooth on here. Hopefully it's working quite well. I've obviously got the stabilisation on the phone as well. It's working. So we'll see how well that works together with it. It should help. Obviously you can run it sideways, do what you like. Just got to get used to when you've got the camera facing one way, it's opposite dials, which is quite funny. Yeah, so quite impressed with it. For £90, I got a good price on it. It's quite a good little investment really for utilising stuff like this. So when I'm out and about doing videos and doing photo shoots and stuff, we can put it on there. It's also got a tripod mount, so I can put it on a tripod and do on the app. You can do like the active tracking, so it will track a subject that you tell it to. Could be a horse trotting around a school or something, which is really cool. Right, there we go, up over a stile. How's this going to work? In the bushes. So we've just walked down there. It's relatively rough, and jump down a 2-foot stile and back to the car. Just a quick video really, just to see how it performs. Go from there really. Get used to the dial working. You wiggle it around. If you go too far, it is going to not work all that well. But now I've calibrated, it seems to be relatively good, which is cool. So it's the first time I've properly used it. Just walking. So we'll try a little run. Let's do it. So it's pretty smooth.